Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download files from Telegram Desktop quickly and easily. Whether it's a PDF, Word document, zip file, image, or video, Telegram Desktop makes downloading files very simple. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, open the chat where the file was shared. Find the file that you want to download. To download it, simply click on the download icon on the file. Telegram will immediately start downloading the file to your computer. Once the download is complete, you can click the file to open it directly in Telegram Desktop. If you want to view the downloaded file in its folder, click on the file and choose Show in Folder. This will open the folder where Telegram saved the file. By default, Telegram Desktop usually saves downloaded files in the Downloads folder or the Telegram Downloads folder, depending on your settings. If a file downloads automatically, it means automatic media download is enabled. You can change this by going to Settings, selecting Advanced, and then opening the Automatic Media Download section. From there, you can choose whether files should download automatically or only when you click the Download button. Downloading multiple files is also easy. Just click the download icon on each file, and Telegram will download them one by one. That's it. You've successfully learned how to download files from Telegram Desktop. Thanks for watching this full guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Telegram Desktop tutorials on the channel.